Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today, I, Shivani Gonyal, will be taking your math class, and I welcome you all to attend math session. In this session, we'll be following Exceed 5 A's, that is aim, action, analysis, application, and assessment. So block 2 is comparing 5-digit numbers, and today we'll do S3, that is forming numbers. So children, can you give some example of different numbers formed using the same digits? Like the digits are the same but numbers that are formed is different. Yes. So some common numbers could be the emergency numbers. Like for example, 100 is for police and 101 is for the fire brigade. So as you can see in both the numbers, we have the same digits, that is 0 and 1. But it is arranged in the different order, in different sequence and forming the different numbers. But the digit used here is actually the same, that is 0 and 1. And you have also noticed, students, that in cars, the number plates, they are usually formed of the same digits, because in math we have only 10 digits from 0 to 9, but they are arranged in different sequence and forming the different numbers. So students, today we'll be learning to form greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers, that how we can form using a specific digits, how we can form the greatest number and how we can form the smallest number using the same digits. So let's begin. So now first we'll see how we can form numbers without repetition. Means we'll not be going to repeat the digits. Yes. So for example, we have here 5 digits, that is 4, 5, 1, 8 and 3. And using these 5 digits only, we have to form first the smallest number and then the greater number. So let's see how we can form the smallest number using the digits. So children, keep that thing in mind that whenever we are forming the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Yes, in last class we have learned now what is ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the digits or arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest. So ascending order, if we are forming the smallest number, we just arrange the digits in the ascending order. Means from the smallest to the biggest. So here, if we arrange these digits, what will be the smallest number? We begin from 1, then 3, then 4, 5 and finally 8. So this number is the smallest number which we have formed using these digits. Yes. And after that, if you want to make the greater number, the greatest number, so we will arrange the digits in the descending order. What is descending order? Yes, arranging numbers from greatest to the smallest. Yes. So here, as we can see, out of this, which number is the greatest? Yes, 8. Then 5, then 4, then 3 and then 1. So whenever we need to form a smallest number using the digits, we always arrange it according to the ascending order, and whenever we need to form the greatest number, we always arrange in the descending order. Now let's move forward. Now here we will see how we can form numbers if we want to do its repetition. Means if repetition is allowed, if I can repeat one number twice or thrice, so how we can form the greatest and the smallest number. Yes. So let's see one example here. Form the smallest 5-digit numbers using the digits 7 and 2. Means only 2 digits are given here, 7 and 2. and using only these two digits we have to form 5-digit numbers. It means obviously we have to repeat the digits to form the 5-digit numbers. So use all the digits at least once, means we have to use both the digits. So let's see how we can form the smallest 5-digit numbers. So as we have done that, while forming the smallest number, we always arrange it according to the ascending order. So what is smallest out of these two? 2. The digit 2 is the smallest, so we just have put it in the beginning, that is in 10,000s place, and 7 is the greatest, so we have written it at last. Yes, so in rest of the places, these three places are blank. Yes, and we have to form the smallest number. So what will be the smallest? We will repeat here the smallest digit, like 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 7. Yes, so to get the smallest 5-digit number, we write the smallest digit at the highest place and the greatest digit at the lowest place. Yes, and then after that we will repeat the smaller digit complete by making it the 5-digit numbers. Yes, so whenever we need to form the smallest digit, we repeat the smaller digit and keeping the greatest digit at the end. So this is how we have formed the smallest 5-digit number. So children, just think, if I want to form the largest 5-digit number, so how can I form using these two digits only? So to form the greatest number, I want to arrange it according to the descending order. So instead of 7, we will write 2 here, and instead of 2, we will write 7 here. Yes, so the number would be 7, 7, 7, 7, and then 2. So it will be opposite then. The 2 will come at 7's place and 7 will come at 2's place. So children, now we see how we can form the 5-digit number with 0. If 0 is given, so how we can form the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. So let's see. Forming largest number. It means from forming a biggest number, we always arrange it in descending order. So for example, 5 digits are given to us, that is 3, 1, 0, 6 and 9. And if I want to arrange it in the descending order to form a largest number, largest 5-digit number, so I just simply arrange these digits in the descending order, means greatest to the smallest, like 9, 6, 3, 1, 0. So this is our greatest 5-digit number. Okay, now see this, how we can form the smallest 5-digit number using the number 0. So as you know that while forming the smallest number, we always arrange it in the ascending order. Yes, but children, if we have 0, so one thing we need to keep it on our mind, that we will never keep 0 to the extreme left position of the number. Just see here an example. Here also we have the digits 3, 1, 0, 6, 9. So while arranging it in ascending order, we should have 0 first, then 1, then 3, then 6 and then 9. But children, is it really a 5-digit number? No, because if we put 0 in the extreme left of any number, so the number will become 4-digit number. Yes, because 0 doesn't have any value if we keep it at the extreme left position. So it becomes 4-digit number. So whenever we have 0, we just keep it after the first non-zero digit. Like for example, out of 0, the next smallest number is 1. So first we'll write 1 here, and then at second place we just write 0, and then 3, 6 and 9. So now this is the 5-digit number. Yes, but if we keep 0 to the extreme left, the number will become the 4-digit number and not the 5-digit number that we really want. Yes, so this is wrong and this one is correct. So children, what is the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number formed using the digits 3, 5, 8, 9, 1. Yes, can you form a smallest and the greatest 5-digit number using these digits? And how are the digits arranged to form the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers? Yes, so how we can arrange the whenever we need to form the smallest digit numbers, so how we can arrange the digits? Just think. Yes, so whenever we need to form a smallest number, we just arrange the digits from the smallest to the biggest. That means in ascending order. And whenever we need to form the greatest number, so we just arrange it in the descending order. That means from the greatest to the smallest digits. So as you can see, smallest 5-digit numbers, we have arranged it in the ascending order. So this is the smallest number using the digits. Like first we have the smallest number 1, 3, 5, 8 and 9. Means moving from smallest to the biggest. And while forming the greatest 5-digit numbers, we always arrange the digits in the descending order. Descending order means from greatest to the smallest. So here we have 9 first, then 8, then 5, 3 and 1. So this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. So dear students, are you ready for the master question now? Here it is. So question is, form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the digits 1, 5, 3 and 0. And how did you make these numbers? Just think. How can we form smallest and the greatest 5-digit numbers using these 4 digits? Okay, so here is the answer. So while forming the smallest 5-digit numbers, so as you can see, the repetition will gonna happen because here are only 4 digits and we want 5 digits. So we need to repeat at least 1 digit. Yes. So if here is 0. So as we have discussed the 0, we don't keep it to the extreme left. So 1, first we'll write 1. Then 2 zeros because 0 is the smallest. So we will be repeating the smallest digit twice to form the smallest number. So first is 1, then 0, 0, then 3, then 5. This is an ascending order. Yes. And we have not kept 0 to the extreme left. Yes. So in repetition, we have just repeated the smallest digit twice. And while forming the largest 5-digit number, so here we have arranged it in the descending order and we have repeated here the greatest digit twice. Yes, because we need to form the greatest 5-digit number. So whenever we form greatest 5-digit number, so we repeat the greatest digit, and whenever we need to form the smallest digit number, smallest 5-digit number, so we just repeat the smallest digit. So children, I hope this S3 is clear to you. Now you have to do S3 forming numbers, the workbook part on your own. And after that, one home task is there. So you have to read block 2, lesson 3 from your content book. And also do practice of lesson 3 given on page number 11 of your content book. So children, that's all for today. Thank you all. Stay home. Stay safe.